What is a YouTube micro channel? Well, it's the start of a new era. We've officially entered the attention economy where guys in their 20s are making millions, if not billions of dollars just by having a YouTube channel. Now, if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to start an online business and make $10,000 a month, so pay attention. In 2023, while I was still in high school, I made over $1 million using a YouTube micro channel, and I also restarted completely from zero and documented the process of me making 10K in 32 days earlier this year on the channel you're watching right now. Today, I'm going to show you what a YouTube micro channel is, why all the gurus you watch are actually making most of their money using it, and 3, why it is the single best business model to start in this new content first world. Let's be real, most online business models do actually work. Trading works, dropshipping works, SMMA works. However, each model has its own pros and its own cons, but the YouTube micro channel is the single anomaly that all the gurus use outside of whatever business model they're pushing you because it solves all of them. Put simply, a YouTube micro channel is a small and niche down YouTube channel that talks to a very specific kind of person, not focusing on entertaining them, but focusing on educating them so that you can sell a digital product. Instead of going out and becoming this massive influencer, you are building a tiny profitable brand that allows other people to come into your ecosystem and pay you in order to solve their problem with a unique skill that you actually have. You don't need any fancy cameras. You don't need a massive team. You don't need to be this big high up expert in the world, and you do not need to go viral or get many views. In fact, most of the micro channels that I personally work with get anywhere from 50 to 500 views per video, talking about very niche down topics like how to learn English or any other foreign language, how to get in shape using a specific diet, how to quit a certain addiction, how to use an Excel spreadsheet, and each one of them makes over $10,000 a month. The reason why is because each one of those views is a real person whose problem is being solved and therefore can go into actually becoming a customer for whatever product you are selling. Now let's take a look at the alternative business model options that we have, the first of which being trading. This is a business model that is very high risk and high reward, meaning that you can make a lot of money quick, but you can also lose a lot of money quick. And ultimately, I don't like it because of the reason that it isn't actually building you a real asset. If you're the best trader in the world, or if you're just a beginner, you still have to show up every single day at a set time, just like a 9-to-5 job. And because of that, it doesn't build the financial freedom and the life that I personally want. In addition to that, my biggest qualm with this business model is, again, that risk. Even if you are the best trader in the world, there's so many things outside of your control, like the global conditions and everything else that goes on in your own life that can impact you on a day-to-day basis, causing you to lose a lot of money. Where in other business models, once you actually build it and you have the skill, it will last forever, and it doesn't matter on a day-to-day what will actually fluctuate. The second business model is dropshipping or e-com. And in order to actually see success with this, you have to test dozens of products. And for each product, you have 2 ways of validating it. You can either run ads to it, which will cost you thousands that you might not have as a beginner, or you can try and go viral on TikTok relying on the algorithm. In addition to that, you always have to deal with the inventory and running on lower profit margins. And ultimately, even if you overcome all of this and do see success, the biggest issue that I have with it is that most winning stores only last you anywhere from 1 to 6 months at the absolute max. And even if you become somebody who's actually big in the e-com space, your stores are only ever going to last for 1 to 5 years at max. So it's not a lifetime asset. And the biggest question that I always ask myself was, why don't I just do this for myself if I'm so good at social media? The third business model is SMMA, or any kind of AI agency or freelance brand scaling. And this is the business model that I actually made most of my money doing when I first started, scaling up to $25,000 a month. And it was also the niche that I spoke about on my first ever YouTube micro channel. And this is an interesting business model because it requires a lot of your time. It will help you learn the traditional business skills. You're going to learn sales, you're going to learn service delivery, you're going to learn operations, you're going to learn marketing. But in order to actually see success with this, you are going to have to be chained to your desk working. And I know this because I've lived it. And in addition to that, you're also going to be working with your niche, which is something you don't really care about and is just some 40-year-old something business owner that you have to chase down all day and ultimately doesn't respect you or treat you like an equal, which isn't fun to deal with. Yes, it is cheap to start, not $0, and yes, it can make you good money, but most agency owners don't make it past the 2-year mark because it is so unfulfilling and almost like pulling teeth just to see a little bit of success. And the next business model is becoming a setter or a closer. Now, this is not like SMA where you have to learn a crazy amount of skills. You only have to learn one thing, which is sales. However, the biggest qualm that I have with this specific business model is that you are not actually building something for yourself. You're working hour after hour on somebody else's dream, and as a result of that, you're never actually going to get the compound exponential curve in order to run your own operation. And I see a lot of closers get stuck in the trap of thinking that they're making decent money. However, they have to be chained to their desk to still show up to calls and not really have the time freedom, even if they have the location and the financial freedom. Then we have the YouTube micro channel, a business model that actually costs $0 to start. There's no softwares or anything that you actually need. You get to talk about a skill that you are genuinely passionate about and is relevant to your life. It only takes 1 to 3 hours per day to run, and the customers that you actually work with are people just like you or your previous self, so you can relate to them and you actually enjoy working with them. You don't have to hire a crazy team. It can just be you and AI, all the way to the point where you scale to $10,000 a month. And most importantly, you're building a true asset for life. The second your brand is built once and it's around a skill that people are willing to go out, watch you without you having to do anything and pay you for, you can retire not only yourself, but your kids and maybe your kids' kids with the amount of money you can make and have it truly be something that lasts you forever because it's you and your identity as a person. Why do you think all the gurus pushing you their best business model are on YouTube instead of running the actual model they're saying, and they're making more money from teaching you how to do it than actually doing it themselves? They might tell you, well, it's because I'm at a different stage than you in your entrepreneurial journey, which might be true, but you have to keep in mind that you don't have to learn the specific skill that they're talking about. You can make $10,000 a month with any skill that you already have as a person. I've met people making $10,000 a month teaching English or some form of foreign language that they speak. I've met people making $10,000 a month teaching people how to get in shape with a specific diet. I've met people making $10,000 a month teaching people how to use Excel spreadsheets. The possibilities are endless. And remember, you've already went through all of the pain in order to actually learn this skill or lesson, which means that you can become your own guru. When I realized this, I had just scaled my agency to $25,000 a month, but I felt lost because even though I was making money, I felt absolutely no fulfillment. It was around this time where I started to speak with other people who were in the situation that I was in before I scaled my marketing agency and realized that I had a skill that a lot of people were after, even if I personally wasn't happy with how my life looked after I had made that $10,000 or $25,000. Around this time, I decided to post my first ever YouTube video on the channel you're watching right now. And before that, I had tried to become a YouTuber dozens of times as a kid, whether it was gaming, whether it was vlogging, skits, anything you can think, I tried it to become a YouTuber. And even though I failed, this time I became an overnight success, and that first video I posted got 10,000 views. At this point, I met another guy in a community and we formed a company called Relentless Success Club, where we'd had a digital product teaching people how to sign their first client and eventually how to scale their marketing agencies the exact same way that we did. Off that YouTube video and a few others alone, we made our first $10,000 completely organic just by putting out a 10-minute video and having a link in our description. And even though we were still running our agencies to prove that we were legit, we realized that we were onto something, and the traditional model of running an agency that we were both quite fed up with might not be our future compared to this new model that, yes, even though we were not the biggest experts in the world, we were still impacting and changing lives in the same way that we had, where kids no longer had to go to college because they were finally making the same amount of money that they'd make after graduating anyways. From that point on, we kept posting on both of our YouTube channels, and in the next 2 years, we built that business up to the point where it hit its first $100,000 a month in December of 2023, and from that point on, it hit $160,000 a month in May of 2024. All of this is literally just from posting YouTube videos. And like I said earlier in this video, I also documented the process of me restarting completely from scratch and going from $0 to $10,000 a month in 32 days on the channel you're watching right now, just doing a daily vlog where I hold my phone up and talk. In the last 90 days alone, I've also partnered with 11 different creators to build YouTube micro channels in the exact same way that I did, because this model is truly the future. Now, I'll be making some far more tactical guides and walkthroughs. However, if you enjoyed this video, comment your niche below and I'll show you how you can turn it into a profitable micro niche YouTube channel. And I hope that the time you spent on this video is worth the value you got in return, and I'll see you in the next one.